What's up, guys? Matt here, out on the job site today, and just got back from lunch, and my buddy Dylan here was like, hey, let's take that muffler out from under your truck and see what it sounds like with just straight piped with no muffler. And I was like, all right, if you got the tools in your truck, we can do it. So we found some tools. We're gonna see if we can get it off with this DeWalt drill, but first of all, we're gonna do a startup and show you what it sounds like with this 4-inch with the muffler on there. See what that sounds like first, then we'll take it off, we'll fire it up and see what that sounds like. All right, Dylan's gonna fire this bad boy up. We got the 4-inch exhaust right here with the little muffler on here, so here we go. So that's what it sounds like with the current exhaust on there, and now we're gonna get up under this thing and attempt to take this muffler off right here, and it'll just be daylighting out right here at the muffler. We don't have a piece to put in there, so it'll just be stopping right here under the bed, but let's see what it sounds like. Oh, and by the way, I didn't tell y'all that this truck is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500. It's got the 6.6 liter LML engine in it. It's got all the tuning done to it, the Easy Link and all that stuff. I don't even know what it is. We'll get into that another day, but let's get under this truck right here and see if we can get this muffler off. All right, we don't have our impact driver with us today, or Dylan's impact driver, but we do have this drill. Not sure if it's gonna do it or not.
I don't think so. Cut.
Don't break your drill. You got your Sawzall, we could just cut the muffler off right there in front of it, couldn't we? And then just bend this to the side, so we just have to put one fitting back on it. I'm just kidding. I'm not sawing the muffler off. We didn't have any luck over there at the job site because we just couldn't get those bolts off. So now we're back over here at my house in a subdivision where we can annoy everybody with this exhaust sound. And we've got this rigid impact right here, and Dylan's gonna see if he can get it off with it. Oh yeah, it comes off easy with that, doesn't it? All right, we got all the bolts out. He's sliding the flanges off, and you think we're gonna be able to get this out without removing the back part of the muffler? Oh yeah. You need my help?
Goes up in there a good ways. Maybe hold that over there.
All right, so here's the, there's the muffler right there, and we don't have a pipe to attach those parts together, so we'll just fire it up and test it like that. You want to leave your face right in front of there so I can blow soot on you? All right, guys, Dylan is about to fire the truck up, and you heard what it sounded like before we took it off. Let's see what it's going to sound like now. We decided to take the back part of the exhaust off and pull it out so that it wouldn't just be hanging there, and so we could take this thing on a test drive and see what it really is going to sound like.
Yep.
I think for the next video, we should just take it off at the turbo downpipe. We're out here on the street course. We're ready to show you what this thing sounds like. Hopefully this little mic I've got right here out the window won't be too windy. I'll give it a few pulls and let you hear the turbo sound. Then we'll get on it and let you hear what that sounds like, and we'll probably end the video with that. You've heard what the truck sounds like now, with the exhaust, without the exhaust. That's all I've got for you in this video. I think we'll leave it off for a little bit and see how everybody likes it. But if you like what you've seen in this video, want to see more videos, drop a comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.